This stop was never on the map, which is exactly how I ended up here.
Quick one from the road. When I left Kentucky, Arkansas was only supposed to be a drive-through. Instead, I got one strange, pretty day in the Ozarks. I'm Renee, and this is the pit stop.
First morning, I walked out of the door and saw a painted bus across the street. Okay, this looks interesting. Unfortunately, the place was closed, but of course, I still had to get a few shots. Apparently, I was just a little early. So, I decided to keep going. Sparky's. Bowling pins on the ceiling. Willie Nelson also on the ceiling. And somewhere under all of that, the best burger I didn't see coming. The farther I drove, the stranger it got.
I'll be honest, the town and I never really clicked. Part Victorian, part biker, part hippie. I'm still not sure what in the Ozark is going on there. But before I left, I found the part of Eureka Springs that really stayed with me. Riding along for detours like this, that's what the subscribe button is for.
Blue Spring Heritage Center, my last stop. And the one I'd drive back for. Divers have gone more than 200 feet down looking for the bottom. Never found it. By the center's own telling, this ground nurtured the Cherokee during the Trail of Tears. All of it slides off to the White River quietly, day and night. I came in expecting nothing. That's probably why it worked out. Not every stop needs to be a whole story. Sometimes it's just a good day. Some places and some days are a reminder that maybe we're not always supposed to have a plan. Maybe sometimes we're just supposed to wander, stay curious, and see what we find.
So that was Arkansas. A pit stop that turned into a pretty good day. Thanks for riding along. Next stop, Oklahoma, where I go looking again. I'll see you there.
What's the best accidental pit stop you've ever made? Tell me below in the comments. I'd love to hear.